Your smile is the first thing people will notice about you, and if your teeth are stained and discolored, you may not be making a great first impression. That's why a lot of people are whitening their teeth these days, but the question is, which product is safe and which is the most effective? Introducing the AP24 Whitening Toothpaste. Produced by an American manufacturing company, New Skin. This toothpaste whitens teeth while fighting plaque with AP24 Propriety Technology. This removes stains while whitening, brightening, polishing teeth for a radiant smile, provides a long-lasting fresh clean mouth all day long while aiding a prevention of dental cavity. It doesn't feel nasty while brushing your teeth like other brands and has zero sensitivity. Can lighten dental work back to the original shade. Safe for kids, pregnant women and nursing mothers. So if you want to get super white teeth, this is definitely the way to go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.